A man picked up a bottle from the ground. The bottle instantly turned into banknotes. He was extremely shocked when he saw this. At that moment, a screen appeared in front of him. The screen showed that the garbage collected would bring a 1,000-fold return. The man pulled a passerby over and asked if she could see the screen, but the girl thought he was a fool. He stopped another passerby and asked the same question, but this passerby didn't want to pay him any attention at all. The man realized that only he could see the screen system. To verify what was displayed on the screen, the man kept collecting a lot of garbage. He was shocked to find that his balance had increased tens of thousands of times. At this moment, he received a message about a class reunion. Originally, the man didn't want to go at all, but the screen prompted that if he collected 10 magazines at the reunion, he would get a reward of $3 million. Later, the man arrived at the class reunion. He originally planned to take a few magazines and leave, but one of his classmates spotted him. Following the classmate's exclamation, everyone turned their eyes to the man. The people at the scene mocked him one after another, saying he looked like a beggar. The rich young man wanted to humiliate him. He deliberately told the girl beside him to take the money to the man, and this girl was exactly the man's ex-girlfriend. But the man didn't want to pay any attention to her at all. The rich young man walked over and said the man was only fit to pick up garbage. He also mocked that the man would be a poor guy for the rest of his life. The man didn't want to argue and prepared to leave, but he was stopped by someone. His classmates advised him to curry favor with the rich young man. Maybe he could get a stable job, but the man didn't care at all. The rich young man was very dissatisfied with his attitude. He kicked the man to the ground with one foot. The man could no longer bear their humiliation. He struggled to get up and shouted loudly. He said the rich young man's assets were just a fraction of his. He even said the rich young man wasn't qualified to shine his shoes. These words completely enraged the rich young man. He told his men to pin the man down on the table. He also took a glass of red wine and poured it over the man's head. Everyone was talking about how the man had offended the wrong person. At this moment, the system appeared and bestowed divine power on the man. Next, he was going to make the rich young man pay a painful price.